Welcome to Momentum Academy. In this lesson, I am going to show you how to add animation to your page. This lesson is part of our Momentum Academy bootcamp. You can find a link in the comments to all the videos in the course. In the last lesson, we added navigation to our page, making the page feel more connected. Next, let's add a little motion to bring it to life. We'll look at how to use Bubble's built-in animation tools to make sections appear as the user scrolls down the page. We'll add a simple example, fading in the services section, and you'll see how easy it is to add subtle animation without using any plugins. These small touches make your app feel more polished. Back to the Bubble editor, we'll hide the service cards by default and fade it in when the user scrolls down the page. Select the Group Cards row. In the Layout tab, untick "This element is visible on page load," so it's hidden by default. Untick Collapse when hidden so the space for the card stays in place on the page. Go to the Workflows tab, select New Workflow, and choose General. Do when condition is true. In the Condition field, enter current page scrolling position. Is more than 300. Add an action. Element actions. Animate an element. In Element, choose Group Cards row. In Animation, choose a subtle option such as Transition Fade In. Tick Define a custom duration. Add a duration of 1200. Select Preview. Wait for the page to refresh. And scroll down the page. Check the Group Cards row fades in once you pass 300 pixels. And that's our first animation complete. You can see how this simple effect makes the experience on the page feel more dynamic and professional. You could play around with the animations and choose one that you like best. Remember, you can apply the same approach to any element on your page. Just keep the animations subtle so they enhance the design rather than distract from it. Congratulations, you have completed Module 2. In Module 3, we will dive into user interface theory and configure the styles in our app, adding the final designs, colours, icons and pictures.